Free online photo editor and design tools. Great limits. So in the free plan, you get almost everything except AI tools like cutout and stuff like that. But most of it, it's on the free plan. You don't need to pay anything. Let me show you how easy it is to create an account without receiving spam. You use paste email, which is a tool that you'll find linked in my bio. You create add inbox, choose a random username that you want, use the URL, receive the emails from this account or any other account in the specific email that you want whenever you want, and you can bypass the first message, which is usually the activation one, and then you can pause it. Boom, you can copy to clipboard, sign up with email, and you no longer receive spam. You just use this tool. Usually subscribe to our newsletter is automatically set up for you. In this case I can turn it off, but I'm sure I'll receive a lot more emails. So now verify your account. I save this to my password manager, and then I'll check for the code. Use this tool, paste email. Like I said, you'll find it in my bio, in the tools that I recommend. You can start for free, and you go to dashboard. Boom, here you have all your boom, and here you have the temporary email, and there you have it. The email is here. You can copy the code, activate it, and that's it. You don't need to receive any spam or any newsletters, any stuff like that, and you have unlimited inboxes here. Unlimited. All that you need is right here. Productivity is done using paste email. I love this. I honestly can't imagine my life without this, and I hope you will enjoy this as well. Also, more useful tools just like paste email in my bio. Here are the differences between the two, and this is the free one. You have templates, images, whatever you need. You even have sales voucher templates and much more. So you add whatever you want. You have templates for Instagram stories for free. You load it up, drag and drop, edit, whatever you need, all done here. They are making money because they are showing some ads, but it's a lot less clunky than Canva and a lot more feature powerful. Follow for more.